Hey folks, it's a mild evening across the valley. Temperatures low 70s for the most part, but a few places have already dropped into the 60s. Harlingen, Weslaco, Brownsville, all in the 60s now. Port Isabel still at 70 degrees. Still kind of a breezy evening out there as well. That breeze will die down a little bit overnight. Dew points have come up a little bit from earlier this afternoon. We were in the mainly 50s earlier, and now they've come up into the low 60s. We'll put that on the muggy meter, and that's that transition from really, really comfortable to just a little bit muggy. Temperature will get down close to the dew point tonight, and that's when we'll see maybe some patchy low clouds and a little fog, but not much. Too much of a breeze for anything significant. Temperatures tomorrow climbing back up into the upper 80s and low 90s, except at the beach, about 79 at South Padre Island. And as you look ahead the next 7 days, there's really not a whole lot of fluctuation, not a lot of up and down in that line. The normal for this time of year is 81. We'll be above that every day, but not by a lot. Nowhere near the record levels. 90 probably the warmest day on Saturday. That number could go up just a little bit. It's possible Saturday could be warmer than that, and then kind of back down closer to normal for Sunday and back to 89 on Monday. Now, cloud-wise, we haven't seen much today. It's been a dry day and a mainly cloud-free day across the region. Push it back and you'll notice patchy showers out in West Texas, but that's about it. Most of the state enjoying a mainly clear night. There's a weak front in the Panhandle that's not doing much to temperatures at all, and it's kind of hanging out there. It's not doing much moving at all. Our upper-level wind flow kind of follows these lines, and they're coming from the northwest. That's a dry flow. That's why the atmosphere very, very clear today. Just hardly any clouds out there at all. That flow will begin to change, not so much tomorrow or Wednesday, but by Thursday, notice those lines start coming from the southwest. Atmosphere moistens up a little bit. More patchy fog and stuff like that around late night, early morning. By Friday, then, this front makes its way into Texas. Now, I'm afraid this front north of us is going to trigger some severe weather, probably from about the middle of Texas up through Oklahoma into Kansas. Talking about a pretty good severe weather outbreak in that part of the country. Question for us is, will anything be able to develop out on the end of that front? Right now, it's a very slight possibility, and we're talking about just a shower or thunderstorm, but it's something to watch for late Friday. Notice this model says no, it's not going to happen, and that's the most likely scenario. But this is one of those kinds of situations you just need to watch. The front washes out just to the north. Dry weather comes in for the second half of Saturday. For Sunday, another little system moves across the area Monday, and then it dries out again after that. So your rain chances, almost non-existent. Mainly dry on Friday. That's the one we have to watch just to see if maybe something can pop up there. So for tonight, it's mainly clear. It's mild. A low of about 66. Tomorrow, back up to 87. Mostly sunny skies. A warm afternoon. The winds out of the southeast at about 10 to 18 miles per hour. Here you go. Next 7 days, and take a peek. We're in the upper 80s for highs, upper 60s for lows. We do go up to 72 for your low Friday morning. The weekend, Saturday high of 90. Sunshine, slightly drier air, so it cools off just a little bit more for Sunday and Monday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.